Look, you have found your emergency dentist of all of Charlotte right now. In this video, I'm Dr. Taj Haynes of Modern Family Dental Care. We have a various number of offices. We are privately owned. We are not a corporate dentistry. So that means we're still going to treat you like family and have partnerships with you. We're not going to treat you like a number. So yes, you have found your emergency dentist. So here's how it works. You have a dental emergency, call one of the numbers on our website, modernfamilydentalcare.com. The closest location for you, we'll be able to see you right away. And with that being said, 95% of the dental services we can provide in-house. So we don't have to refer you off to other specialties or practices to take care of your dental emergency 95% of the time. Also, if our offices are closed, we have a website where you can submit a contact form. Say, have an emergency, please schedule me as soon as possible. Third, you can actually chat on the web. Our website has a little chat feature where you can talk to a representative who can point you in the right direction to get you scheduled as soon as possible or as soon as open to take care of emergency. And lastly, we have an online tool. So go to our website, you'll see at the top, schedule an online appointment, make your own appointment as quickly as possible, and we're going to handle your emergency. So now, look no further, go to our website and schedule your appointment to make sure we take care of your emergency need.